Welcome back to our ServiceNow GRC series. In our last video, we explored policy and compliance management, where we looked at how ServiceNow centralizes policy control, manage compliance requirements, and simplifies audits. Today, we are focusing on one of the most critical aspects of governance in a modern digital era, privacy management. With personal data driving business value, privacy has become not only a compliance obligation but also a key factor in building customer trust and protecting reputation. We will cover this in four sections: an overview of privacy regulations, ServiceNow privacy features, privacy program operations, and finally the benefits organization gain from effective privacy management. Privacy regulations vary globally, but they all aim to protect individuals' personal information. Let's break down some of the most important. GDPR basics. The General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR applies to any organization handling EU citizens' personal data. It enforces rights like access to data, deletion, consent, and strict reporting in case of breaches. CCPA requirements. The California Consumer Privacy Act gives consumers right to know what personal data is collected, request deletion, and opt out of data sharing or selling. Data Protection Acts. Countries worldwide have introduced their own laws. For example, Brazil LGPD, India's DPDP Act, and Canada's PIPEDA. Each has specific rules but common emphasis on accountability and consent. Re- Regional variations. Different jurisdictions have unique timelines, reporting requirements, and enforcing methods, which means organizations often need flexible tools to manage overlapping obligations. The challenge here is clear: privacy is not just a single law but a consent involving regulatory landscape. ServiceNow privacy features. ServiceNow equips organizations with tools to manage privacy obligations effectively. Data inventory management helps maintain a centralized record of where personal data is stored, how it's used, and who has access. Data subject access request automates the intake and processing of requests from individuals who want to access, modify, or delete their data as required by laws like GDPR and CCPA. Consent management captures and tracks user consent, ensuring organization only process data where lawful permissions exist. Privacy incident handling provides structured workflows to investigate privacy breaches, notify stakeholders and regulators, and remediate issue quickly. These features reduce manual efforts while ensuring organization met strict legal requirements. Privacy program operations. Privacy management is not just about regulations, it's about embedding privacy into daily business operations. ServiceNow supports this through identify personal data. Organization can classify and tag sensitive data sets, making it easier to manage risks. Mapping data flows. ServiceNow enables visualizations of how data moves across departments, vendors, and systems, helping organization understand exposure points. Setting retention rules. Automating retention schedules, ensuring that data is not kept longer than necessary, reducing both risk and storage cost. Monitoring privacy compliance. Dashboard and alerts track the status of privacy initiatives, highlighting gaps and potential violations. This operational discipline helps organizations stay compliant not just on paper but in practice. Finally, what are the benefits of managing privacy with ServiceNow? Trust building with customers. Demonstrating respect for data privacy builds confidence and brand loyalty. Avoiding fines. Non compliance can result in severe penalties, sometimes in the millions. Automation reduces the risk of costly mistakes. Transparency in data use. With centralized tracking, organization can clearly explain how data is collected, used, and shared. Better governance. Integrating privacy with GRC strengthens overall governance and accountability across the enterprise. In today's environment, Good privacy practices are no longer optional, they are a business differentiator. To summarize, privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA create complex compliance requirements across regions. ServiceNow simplifies this through data inventory, DSAR automation, consent management, and incident handling. Storage operations include data identification, flow mapping, retention management, and ongoing monitoring. And the benefits are clear customer trust, reduced fines, transparency, and stronger governance. In our next video, we'll move deeper into compliance territory with regulatory change management, where we will see how ServiceNow help organizations keep up with evolving laws and adopt process seamlessly. Thank you.